To disable ads, we need to go through multiple different apps that are pre-installed on your Redmi 15. So let's get right into it. First of all, we're going to open the app vault. Let's press got it. Over here in the top right corner, we have these three dots. So go over here and go to manage services. And we want to disable these two things. You can also go to manage notifications in order to completely disable notifications for this app. Now let's scroll through the app drawer in order to find another app, and this time we're gonna go to downloads, tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and open settings. And we want to disable recommended content, and press OK. Let's go back. Now, another app that we want to go to is the MI browser. Let's open it. Go to this profile icon in the bottom right corner. There we go. Now we're gonna go to settings over here in the top right corner. Unfortunately, it seems to be lagging a bit. I'm not sure why. There we go. Now over here, we're gonna scroll down and go to advanced. And in here, we can disable show ads. Now let's go back. Let's exit. Next is the let's see, the MI video. Let's see if we can actually remove an ad over here. So let's swipe up just once. All right, and let's go to profile. Let's see if we can actually find the settings. Yeah, there we go. In the top right corner, we should be able to find the settings. And over here, we can disable personalized recommendations. Let's see if we can find something more popular today. Let's disable that. And also scan for new local videos. We can disable that as well. And that should be all. Yeah, all right, so we're gonna go back. And then go to music. Sometimes music doesn't have a setting for this, I believe, or it was actually the MI video. Sometimes the MI video might not have the settings, but if it doesn't, then that's fine. Now let's tap on these two sliders over here in the top left corner and go to settings. Now in here, we can disable permanent notifications and go to advanced settings in order to find show ads, and these two options below as well can be disabled. Let's go back. All right. Now let's see, what's the next app that we want to go to, and it should be security. Tap on the setting in the top right corner. Over here, disable recommendations, and then go to cleaner. And over here, we will find a similar option, so let's turn it off. All right. And another app that we want to go to is the themes app. Let's go to themes. Then in the bottom right corner, we need to go to my account. Tap on the setting icon in the top right corner and disable these two options, show ads and recommendations. And that should be it, I believe, in terms of apps themselves, actually. Let me actually scroll down to double check. Yeah, that should be it. Now, in addition to that, what you can also do is open settings. In here, we're gonna go to notifications and status bar, then go to app notifications. And once you see the list of apps, we want to disable notifications from these apps, such as the MI video, get apps, themes, and then we're gonna also scroll down, make sure that app vault is disabled. Let's see what's next. The MI browser can be disabled, music, and I think that's all. Yeah. And after that, you will most likely not have any ads whatsoever. If you still receive some notifications, for example, from some shady apps, then of course you can turn them off in these settings that I just had shown you. Check out this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, and subscribe.